Here is another video that might be helpful to do-it-yourselfers, and in this video I'm going to provide you with the most common bathroom design layout plan I've ever seen. And you're actually looking at it right here. We have a door, a sink, a toilet, and a bathtub. All of the plumbing will be on the same wall for the water supply, along with all the drains and vents. And the door is usually going to be located in this position, or it could be located in these positions here. So you can see here where we can flip the bathroom over using this design with the doors located in these four positions. And the same will hold true for the doors located in these positions here. Another thing to consider with this design will be the window locations. You can see where if we have an exterior wall here, we can put a window over here. And if we have an exterior wall behind the toilet, we could put a window here. And the most common window location will be behind the bathtub. And it will be a wider, skinnier window. It might actually be 4 foot wide and between 12 and 16 inches tall, depending upon the size of the bathtub and the ceiling height. And if you don't have an exterior wall around the perimeter of your bathroom, you can forget about the windows and install a ventilation fan. However, it's probably not going to be a good idea to have a larger window that's going to encroach into the area behind the sink, where you might want to install a mirror on the wall, or have a window that goes behind the door. And a few more things to consider would be to leave the toilet where it is. Don't move the toilet over here, because you could end up having problems with the door opening if you have a longer toilet. And how do I know? Because this is the setup I have in one of our bathrooms. But again, if this is what you want, just make sure that the door is going to open. Otherwise, you could always install a pocket door. Just keep in mind that if you do install a pocket door, you won't be able to put a medicine cabinet in this wall. This is another standard with the design. Medicine cabinet here, mirror here, toilet paper holder on the cabinet if you're going to have one. If not, it's going to have to go on the wall. And then a towel bar over here. And this example here might provide you with a better idea of how the door would be in the way if you had a toilet here. And I'm not about to suggest that the last thing I want to mention is that big of a deal, but if you do something like this and you have the door open towards the sink, then you're simply going to need to close the door before using the sink. So there you have it, the most common bathroom design I've ever seen. If you have another opinion about that, feel free to share it with us in the comment area. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment area, and I will answer those as soon as possible also.